In this video, I'm doing a little spring decorating. So if you're interested in finding out what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while you're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my video. Now today, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is titled, It's a Spring Thing. Yes, and it's hosted by two wonderful YouTube sisters. Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Candy at DIY Design by CCW. Now, if you haven't heard of these two ladies, I will link their channels down below in the description, along with the playlist for this challenge when it becomes available. Now, they have simple rules for this challenge. Now, they ask that you style any space in your house for spring, any space, and tell them all about your items and the things that you use to style your area. And they ask that you use a hashtag that I'm going to run across the screen. Hashtag It's a Spring Affair 2020. They ask that you be a subscriber to both of their channels, that you mention their channels in your video, and include their channels and the playlist link in your description box. And they ask that you have some refreshing fun. So if you're interested to see what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, I don't do that much to the front because it's very small, but I try to keep it up with the seasons. As you see, I put my spring flag out, which I think is really cute. I got in a pack of seasonal flags off of Amazon. I'll include that link down below if you're interested. They wasn't that expensive. I think they were like $13 or something like that for all the seasons, and they are very pretty patterns. And I put my pillow in the chair that I have for spring and summer. It kind of pulls out some of the colors of my doormat that says welcome to our home. I picked that doormat up at home. It was on clearance for $3.50, but I thought it was beautiful. One, because it had the flowers in it, and it had some orange flowers in it to match my theme for this year. So I thought that was really pretty, and also teal is one of my favorite colors. And then, as you saw, I dressed up my girl. I changed her hair out. I put in those beautiful Dollar Tree flowers. I made her hair look pretty. I try to change her hair with the seasons. And then let's turn around here and look at my door wreath. Now, this is a door wreath that I made for a upcoming DIY. It'll be up on the 21st, so I'll include the iCard for how I created this wreath, because I really like the fact that this bow is here, and this bow I made it to match the other bows that's in the house for this spring and Easter season. So I wanted to participate in Tammy and Candy's challenge, but I didn't have any other spaces to decorate but out here. So I did put my touch of spring, my flag, my girl's hair, the pillow, and my new doormat, and then my door wreath. So I'm going to give you an overall look. Just simple. I wanted to hurry up and get this done because here in Houston today we're expecting a lot of rain. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.